How to see your app screen time on Android. In our fast paced digital world, keeping track of how we spend our time on our devices has become increasingly important. We often find ourselves wondering just how much time we dedicate to different apps and activities. Luckily, Android devices provide us with tools to monitor our digital habits. In this guide, we will explore how to check your app screen time on Android, whether you're looking to manage your screen time for productivity or simply want to be more mindful of your smartphone usage. Understanding how to access this information is a crucial step towards maintaining a healthy digital balance. Open your Settings app. Find the Digital Well-being and Parental Controls or a similar phrase. Depending on your Android version and device manufacturer, this option might be located in various sections such as Privacy, Usage, or Device. When you've located Digital Well-being and Parental Controls, tap on it to enter this section. This is where you'll gain insights into your digital habits and app usage. You'll be presented with an overview of your daily app usage. This summary provides a quick look at the total time you spent on your device, a list of the apps you've used the most on that particular day, and the time you've spent on each of them. Tapping on an app will show you a more detailed info on your app usage, whether that's today or for the week. This can help you identify which apps consume most of your screen time and which ones you might want to manage more effectively. In addition to tracking screen time, you can also use the digital well-being settings to set your overall screen time goal and app-specific time limits for managing your screen time more effectively. These settings vary by Android version and device, but they typically offer customization options to help you achieve a more balanced digital lifestyle. By following these steps, you can gain valuable insights into your app screen time and take control of your smartphone usage, ultimately promoting a healthier and more mindful relationship with your device. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel.